Hey, welcome back to another day. Life Kill. So, it's early in the morning. Why cool out here? About to get ready to get this time chain cover off and install these guts. So, them GALLEY gaskets finally came. They finally got here. I ordered these from Z1 Motorsports, Carrollton, Villa Rica, Georgia. That's Carrollton, Georgia, Villa Rica Highway. So let's see if these are the right things. So these are the hex nuts. So these are hex. These ain't Phillips. So hold on. Let's do one gasket. What the other than that? Oh man, I don't mean tell me. They ain't sent me but one. This is the top one. I hope there's the other one in here. I don't feel it. That's why I hope there's the other one in here. I know I ordered both of them things. But I tell you, ain't nothing else in this bag. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Alright. So, when you get order from Z1, genuine Nissan. Instead of going to the dealership, Z1 Motorsports. So, we're about to take this cover off, and we're going to install these gaskets in there.
Everything is not enough. Really out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
So you seen that gasket was ripped right here and down here. So this is the cause of most of the time you tearing up your engine, because this creates oil pressure. This is a tube right there that runs down in there, and so when the gaskets leak, the pressure coming through here goes down. When the pressure goes down, your parts ain't getting oil right. So it causes engine failure. Let's see if they sent me them 2 little O-rings. I think they did, yep. Yep, they sent them to me. So I don't want to scratch this with that razor because you don't want to score it. You don't want to put no lines or grooves around this edge. So I'm just gonna soak them in some hot water and see if that'll loosen it up some. I'm gonna boil some water, matter of fact, and see if that'll loosen it up. And then I can get the rest of this off of there. I should be able to scrape this part. Yeah, that's coming out pretty easy right there. See the residual stuff, that's what you gotta get off. I want it to be clean just like that. Now if I had me a little sanding wheel, I can just go over it and clean it all off like that. But you see these little lines right here? I don't know if that's oil burning, because the same spot is up in here. Down here, so I don't know. But if I can get the rest of this off without it ripping on me. I wish the whole thing would just came off easy, but you know, ain't nothing never go as planned. Nothing ain't really go as planned. So what I'm gonna try to do is get these GALLEY gaskets on, get the timing chain tension on, and timing chain on, and then put this other timing chain guide back on. I can do all that there. I'm just sit that cover back on there, and then I'll come back and seal it, and then after that I put that on, seal it real good, put all the screws in, then start bolting on alternator, power steering pump. That's it. I go ahead and put the water pump on, the water pump on. And I think that's your inlet. This is your outlet hose for your coolant. So I got a new one now? Yeah, I think I got a new one now. I'll put that on, and then pretty much be back together. I gotta see how I'm gonna torque this crank pulley. I got a torque wrench, so I'm gonna need something to hold that wheel. And what I thought about doing is taking two straps, because the wheel got holes in it. Run a strap around this frame here, or this little support, around a strap right there. Ratchet it tight, and see if I can torque it down. Now I got these Allens, and it's a screw right here. I don't know how I'm gonna get the Allen wrench in there. What is this? That's supposed to be like that? I don't know what that is. It's like a... Is it metal? Let's see something there. Oh, I guess it's a guide, so you can't put it so high. But you make sure you put this thing on, you line it up real good. Yeah, I thought that was something that done broke out. But yeah, this screw right here gonna be a time, cause I don't want to pull this out. I don't want to pull it out. I might have to. Let me see something. Why can I push that one down? Why I can't push this one? What they ordered. Oh, let's see. Hold on. They got an O-ring. Why is this O-ring up on this? This one ain't even got no O-ring. I'm gonna have to check that out. This one ain't showing an O-ring on it. This one here ain't showing no O-ring. Man, I hope I ain't gotta pull them things off. I don't want to try to have to set the timing on this thing. But and there's this thing bolt in there. Dang. If this O-ring, there's no O-ring here. So I wonder, did this tear off? Or did this one, the O-ring come up? It's supposed to be down in there. But I'm guaranteed it's supposed to be an O-ring around there. Wouldn't have bet you. Try to get as much of this I can off. You let it soak some hot water. It may loosen a lot of it up. So you need to get all this stuff out. Cause it ain't gonna make no complete seal if you got this, just enough is under pressure. So although you got the screws tight, might be just enough oil to pass through it. But man, I hope this ain't that one had an old one on it. Now this chain tight. But let me go in and soak these. So I soak these in some water. They got them all cleaned now. Got that old gasket off of them. Same with this one. So you about to install these bad boys on there. And man, this screw up here, this screw behind there, I think I'm gonna have to put a regular one of these back in there. Because you can't get no Allen wrench in between there. So that's what I'm gonna do. put this water pump on. Let's see here. 2 O-rings. Real nice and shiny. So let's see here. Cut these O-rings loose. I'm gonna screw that. Stuck me in my darn hand. Hey. We got 2 O-rings. One go here, one go there. Just to keep it cooling in. So all the way on there. Feels a little. What is awfully loose? Why is this so loose? This one tight. Let me see something. Do this. I'm gonna swap them around just to see. Try not to cut them or anything. Put a gash in it. And this one fit around this one tight, then it's supposed to be here. If it fit loose, oh yeah, see, that fit tighter. So let's see here. How this one fit on this first groove. Okay, there you go. That might be why this one got a yellow mark. That one got a blue mark. But, see these screws here out. Let's see, screw. So see, it ain't 4 screws. You see that? You gotta make sure you put it in there right. So far, smooth sailing. Oh, let's see. I guess once I start to screw it in, the screw should pull them rings in. Let me check some, cause I know I had to kind of pry that thing to get it out. I know that. So, yeah, I want to say the screw's gonna pull it all in. You just gotta do a little bit on each one, so you won't get cockside in there. bottom one in. Let's crank on and see if it's starting to go in a little bit more. I don't think that's gonna be the case. They're gonna pull the top out, so loosen these back up. Now I want to slide on in there. See if we can get this thing to go this time. Try to do all of them a little bit each so it'll go in evenly. So it will go in evenly. Oh yeah, she's going right on in there. Water pump installed. Now let's put this tensioner chain. This chain guide on. Or do I need to do the tensioner first? Let's see. I can put this on. This way. Make sure that stuff on that tight. Nice and tight. Alright. So I'm gonna put the tensioner on there. That should be able to throw the chain on there. Now let's throw this cover back and that's gonna be it. Just the tensioner. Yep. So they sent you 2 extra screws. Well, you had 3 extra ones. But this one up here, you see me, I put the fillets back in there. So what I'm gonna do, but you would have to take this inlet cam pulley off. I'm gonna find me a few good Phillips and throw in there, just in case. That's bad. All the bad ones away. Yeah, I ain't use these again because they Phillips. And you liable to strip one of these bad boys. So I already had to drill one of them out. But I'm gonna put it back together. This is gonna have to be replaced. This cam chain tensioner. And probably them two, my way, if you're gonna take all that out to do that, you might well do the 2 cam chains too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm put it back together, because it wasn't chattering really. This is the one I had to drill out right there. That's all tore up. It ain't chattering really, but by me being able to push this thing down. So what I'm gonna do is put it back together. Probably put a couple more miles on it. Then I say take it to the dealership. Let the dealership do it. You don't want nobody mess around with this. They don't know what they're doing. That's your timing. Mess around, you have a piston going up and a valve coming down, and boom, you got a bent rod. So I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna put this tensioner on there. Make sure I keep that little pin there. That holds it. That keeps the tensioner in. Yeah, it keeps it in. So this thing had a gasket, cause it's oil driven. I don't think it did. But it's a slick right here. There you go right here. That's it. Oil probably come in right here. And then see, you got a hole right there. If I come in, feed all this, keep tension on that. I'm trying to think. I don't know, remember this thing had a gasket or not. Let's see, did this thing have a gasket? I don't think it did. I think that had a gasket. Well, you would think a gasket go down. Let me check something out. So the tensioner, it don't have a gasket, it just go on there. But I need to put this chain on there. I need to put this chain on there. Let's see, this go here. This go here. And push into this. The chain come through here. So I'm gonna do the chain next video. I'm just about to put this on. Then all I gotta do is the chain. This I guess you can call it the lower radiator outlet. This coolant go into here. So let me just go ahead and put this on. And we're gonna put that cover back on so no dust or dirt get up in here. So we're gonna leave the green pin in there. That keeps the tension off. You pull that pin out, that thing will go out. So you wanna get the chain on. That's be the last thing you pull out. I'm gonna have to take this back off because I gotta get the chain over this. I just thought about that. So yeah. So I'll sit this cover back on there so we keep all the dirt and crud from getting in there. Don't want no critters getting in there or no dirt or nothing later on. But yeah. For the day. So I still gotta put the timing chain on. I'm gonna just call Nissan and get a ballpark figure what it costs to replace the cam tensioner pulley and the chain. Let's see what they say. Let's see. Let me show you this right quick. See, these cases will come off, but I know this cover got to come off because you got to pull them gears out. So you got to pull this whole cover back off. And you know, knowing them, they might pull this cover with their stuff in the inside. I don't know, but I ain't messing with that because that means I gotta take all this off to get to the valve covers. Pull the valve covers. Pull these gears. And then put it all back there. So, I don't know. I mean, it makes sense to do it because you got this cover off. Everything is there. So who knows, you know? Who knows? Might do it. Might let them do it. They say $700-800. I'm taking it to them. I ain't doing it. I am taking it there. I don't even feel like taking the whole intake and all that. I'm taking it down. So. For they don't get like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, click that bell. That bell let you know every time I post. To the end, we out.